Your next question is: which disease is cured by eating carrots? These are your options. A. Smallpox. B. Sugar. C. Cancer. D. Eyesight. The correct answer is D. Eyesight. Your next question is: on which day is Teacher's Day celebrated? These are your options. A. March 8th. B. October 2nd. C. September 5th. D. January 26th. The correct answer is C. September 5th. Your next question is: in which country is maximum mango produced? These are your options. A. China. B. Canada. C. India. D. Japan. The correct answer is C. India. Your next question is: which disease is there risk of drinking tea? These are your options. A. Smallpox. B. Sugar. C. Cancer. D. Esophagus cancer. The correct answer is D. Esophagus cancer. Your next question is: in which country was the telescope invented? These are your options. A. India. B. Japan. C. Netherlands. D. Australia. The correct answer is C. Netherlands. Your next question is: in which state of India is a full meal given in exchange for plastic waste? These are your options. A. Bihar. B. Maharashtra. C. Jharkhand. D. Chhattisgarh. The correct answer is D. Chhattisgarh.